before I put it in,
Rock with me now.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me.
I just blew out my hair because I need to braid it down so that I can install a wig. But look at the growth, guys. I didn't even know the last time I came on cam with my hair, let alone with it blown out, but it's doing decently. If you knew how I've been treating it behind the scenes, you'd understand. Yeah. Okay, let's braid it now. I feel like a baby. My ends need a good trim. And I need to do treatment. Whatever. Before I put it in, turn on the flash. We gonna make a movie like Ray J and Kim Kardashian. Put her on the blacklist. As if the pull up, trusting who there ain't no that I can pull.
You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I can do, what I can do. We're right around the love, right around the truth, right around.
Hey guys, so I finished my gel braids. I'm gonna apply, let me come this off, a little bit of wild growth to my parts just because I don't know why this one's sticking up. I need to get back on my consistent hair routine growth situation because I've been treating my hair like cack, like really bad. You know they say if you're pretty with gel braids, you're real pretty. Love that for me. Anyways, I'm just gonna do this. I want to do this once a week. Before I was really on so much Vim because I was like, I'm gonna oil my hair every day. Girl, it's just not realistic for me because it's like, I don't know, with my hair on and off, it just doesn't really make sense. So we're gonna aim for once a week on like a Friday or a Sunday. Probably the Friday because Sundays are like maintenance days for me. This oil is really good though. I recommend it a lot. My hair grows best when I don't do anything to it. I mean everyone's does, low manipulation things, but it's really hard for me to not touch my hair when I see it in my wiggy braids, my gel braids, and it's getting messy. Like, it just stresses me out. Anyways, let me moisturize my lips even though they're not that bad. Oh my god, I look like a little kid. Next, I'm gonna add some of this virgin hair fertilizer as well. Not too much though. Not too much. Just a tiny bit at the front. To slick my edges back instead of using gel, because this is petroleum, so it's thick, which is good. No, because if I had the energy to do feed-ins, I would have just left my hair like this, but feed-ins are just not for me. That whole process just upsets me. Like, okay, let's put a cheeky scarf on. I don't know, I don't like braid in the back, so I'm just gonna tie it off with a hair tie and put it in a bun situation.
munch. Nigga, either he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? No, I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga, either he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like,
It's September 24th, it's a Saturday, and I'm basically at
Northern Line, the next train to Morden by...
my friend's having a birthday dinner. It's September and birthdays hand in hand, like colliding. I'm waiting on Sarah right now, and then we're gonna go. It's so awkward, even though there's no one here. Just girl, let me try to vlog. I feel like I might take the necklace off because I feel like it's choking me a bit. I didn't even show my outfit. I had no time to check it. If you saw the way I was running before I left, yeah. You know, you don't even know what your hair is saying, like. We're on the bus. My eye has been watering. That's why I look like this. I can't even come here and pretend. I was literally crying for a good 5 minutes just then. But it's fine. Why does it feel like we're in the fields? We are. We're in the. Look at me. I'm tripping over. Into the darkness. Yikes. Apparently we're here. But it's really quiet.
you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga, either he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? No, I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga, either he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch, stay mad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my fist, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you need? Pretty ass fucking you like that on me. Baddest bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me.
So guys, I've come in here to vlog because I've just been having so much fun that I've literally been forgetting that I'm supposed to be filming. So just to give a rundown, we're basically at like a super chill, super cute gathering, really intimate, really nice. Again, guess what she's checking in from? The toilet. As you guys saw, I definitely took the chain off because it just wasn't really making any sense. Literally haven't taken pictures of my outfit. It's just been chill. I've been chilling, having fun. Had a bunch of pizza. I tried this drink called makgeolli, probably pronouncing it wrong. Makgeolli, it's like rice, wine, something like that. My friend was telling me that it's like big in Korea, and she was like, try it, try it. I tried it, it was pretty good. It's kind of sweet, tasted like milkshake more than anything, which I was not mad at. But yeah, that's it. Probably check in when I get home and actually explain things, because again, she's being an in real life babe.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga, either he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? No, I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga, either he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like.